How to add contacts to favorites on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your most important contacts to your favorites list on WhatsApp. This makes it easier to access the people you chat with the most. Start by opening the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, open a chat with one of your friends. The first way to add this contact to favorites is to click on the three dots in the upper right corner and then click on View Contact. After opening the contact's details, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. The option we need to enable is Add to Favorites. Click on it. The contact has been successfully added to the favorites group. Now let's move on to the second method. Open the main WhatsApp screen with chats. Then click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. A whole new set of settings called Favorites has now been added here. Click on Favorites. All the contacts you've added to favorites so far are displayed here. By clicking on Add Favorites and selecting the desired contacts, you'll add them to your favorites group. Here, you can select multiple contacts and add them all at once. And that was the second method. This is a new feature on the WhatsApp platform and is similar to Viber folders. The favorites contact group is located at the top of the main chat screen, and you'll need to swipe down a bit to reveal it. When you open Favorites, all your favorites with whom you have active chats will be displayed there. And that would be it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, like the video and subscribe to our channel.